Welcome back. Now we discuss the matter, its nature and behavior. So this is part of as per NCERT CBSE State Board, class 9 standard science. Here we discuss about the solids, liquid, gases and also plasma. First let us look into introduction part here. So matter, anything that occupies space and has a mass, and also felt by sense is called matter. So example like air, earth, fire, sky and water. So these are all part of the matter. Okay, so that is how the nature of the matter exists. Now some of the characteristics of particles of matter. Made of tiny particles. So matter is basically made of tiny particles, and vacant space exists in particle, right? Particles are in continuous motion, especially in the form of, when it is in the form of like liquid and gases. So particles are in the continuous motion, and particles are held together by force of attractions. So whatever the particle we take or matter we take, they are held together due to the force of attraction between each particle. So matter classification based on properties. There are different properties like based on solid, liquid, gas, plasma and also like Bose-Einstein condensate. So hence the matter is classified based on some properties. So these are the properties. Now the first one called solid here, fixed shape and definite volume. So the solid basically having fixed shape and it has a definite volume. Interparticle distance are smallest here. So you can see here very closely they are associated, each particles. And incompressible, so difficult to compress here because there is almost or negligible, the space is not there, hence it is incompressible. And high density and do not diffuse. So density is very high, so particles are very close to each others. Interparticle force of attractions are strongest here. So there is a force of attraction between these particles. And constituents particles are very closely packed. So all these particles are basically very closely packed together. So this is the case with respect to a solid. Now in the liquid form, not fixed shape but fixed volume. As you can see here, if you pour a glass of water inside the glass, right, so the particles are the atoms, you can say. So interparticle distance are larger here and almost incompressible. Here also we cannot compress, just like solid. Density is lower than solid and diffuses. So here the density, as you can see, there is a small gaps here between the every particle here. So that's what we can say, density is lower here. Okay, but if you go back to here in the solid here, so there is no space, so hence the density is very high, hence it is called high density and do not diffuse. But here in liquid, so the low density and it can diffuse. Then interparticle force of attraction is weaker than solid. So because of this gap, so there is a weaker force of attraction or less force of attraction between the here in the particles. Now the next one third one called gases. So neither fixed shape nor fixed volume. So with respect to previous two, but here it is in the gas, so there is no fixed shape and there is no fixed volume at all. Interparticle distance are largest here. So like gas, usually when it evolves, so there is a lot of distance there between each and every particle. Highly compressible. So the best example I can give you here, that is our LPG gas cylinder, which is highly compressible. That's what we call it as a LPG, that is liquid petroleum gas, or you can also say like other one called CNG, right? That is compressed natural gas we call. So the gas is very compressed in that particular container, that is what we call cylinder. So hence the gas is highly compressible. Density is least and diffuse. So density is very least here and it can diffuse. Interparticle force of attractions are weakest here. So because of the low density, so hence interparticle force of attraction is very weak here. Then moving on, next one called plasma. A plasma is a ionizer gas. A plasma is a very good conductor of electricity and affected by magnetic fields. Plasma, like gases, have an indefinite shape and an indefinite volume. So just like gases, so this also, the plasma also have indefinite shape and indefinite volume. So that means there is no fixed shape and no fixed volume. Example like ionized gases. So next one, the last one called Bose-Einstein condensate, so also called short form called BEC, is a state of matter that can arise at a very low temperature. The BEC is all about molecules that are really close to each other, so even closer than in the solid. So as you can see in the picture, that is Bose-Einstein condensate. So for the next session, stay tuned to our next video. So thanks for watching.